Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, a magical, mysterious world bursting with life. Known as the lungs of the earth, the Amazon is home to over 2.5 million species of animals, making it one of the most biodiverse places on the planet. But have you ever wondered what incredible creatures roam this jungle? From the skies above to the rivers below, the Amazon is full of fascinating animals that defy imagination. In today's video, we'll take you on a journey to meet the unique wildlife that calls this massive rainforest their home. Get ready, because this is nature like you've never seen before. Let's start at the top, the canopy where the jungle comes alive. This is where you'll find some of the Amazon's most iconic creatures. Sloths. These slow-moving mammals spend nearly their entire lives hanging upside down in the trees. Their laziness isn't a weakness, it's a survival strategy. By moving slowly, they avoid predators like jaguars and eagles. Harpy eagles. Speaking of eagles, the harpy eagle is one of the largest and most powerful birds in the world. With talons as big as grizzly bear claws, they're the apex predators of the treetops. Howler monkeys. These noisy primates are famous for their deafening calls that can travel up to 3 miles through the dense jungle. You'll hear them before you see them. Now, let's descend to the forest floor, where the jungle gets even more intense. Jaguars. These majestic big cats are the rulers of the Amazon's ground level. With their spotted coats and unmatched stealth, jaguars are both stunning and deadly hunters. Giant anteaters. These quirky creatures might look unusual, but their long snouts and sticky tongues make them experts at slurping up ants and termites by the thousands. Army ants. Speaking of ants, the forest floor is teeming with these relentless insects. Army ant swarms can take down prey much larger than themselves, proving that teamwork really does make the dream work. The Amazon isn't just a forest. It's also home to one of the world's largest river systems. Here you'll find creatures unlike anything you've seen before. Pink river dolphins. Yes, you heard that right. Pink dolphins. These unique freshwater dolphins are a symbol of the Amazon's mystery and beauty. Piranhas. With their razor-sharp teeth and reputation for being ferocious, piranhas might seem scary, but they usually stick to scavenging rather than hunting. Anacondas. The Amazon's rivers are also home to the green anaconda, the largest snake in the world. These giants can grow over 20 feet long and weigh hundreds of pounds. The Amazon is a world where survival means blending in. Let's talk about the masters of disguise that roam this rainforest. Leafcutter ants. Marching in endless lines. These tiny workers carry pieces of leaves back to their underground nests to grow fungus, their primary food source. Stick insects. They look just like twigs, making them nearly invisible to predators. These masters of camouflage can sit undetected for hours on end. Glass frogs. Their translucent skin makes them almost impossible to spot. You can literally see their internal organs through their bellies. When the sun sets, the Amazon rainforest transforms. The night shift begins, and new creatures take over. Tarantulas. These massive spiders are nocturnal hunters, waiting patiently for insects or even small animals to cross their path. Kinkajous. Also known as honey bears, these adorable mammals emerge at night to feast on fruits and nectar high up in the treetops. Bats. The Amazon is home to dozens of bat species, including fruit bats that help pollinate plants and spread seeds as they feed. The Amazon isn't just home to these incredible animals. It's vital for our planet. It produces 20% of the world's oxygen and absorbs massive amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to combat climate change. But this magical rainforest is under threat from deforestation, illegal logging, and climate change. If we don't act to protect it, many of these amazing creatures could disappear forever. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most extraordinary places on Earth. It's a living, breathing ecosystem full of wonder and mystery, and its animals are a testament to the beauty of nature. Which of these creatures amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future adventures. Together, let's celebrate and protect the wonders of the natural world. World Map.